Dapat may apoy sa paglilingkod. You cannot go on serving the Lord without zealousness. If you are serving God without zealousness, you're wasting your time. People who are bored in the church is because there's no zealousness. People who are always murmuring because there's no zealousness. Walang apoy. Pero pag may apoy ka sa puso, kahit may makita kang katitisuran, hindi mo makikita yon. Pag may apoy ka sa puso, kahit pagod na, hindi mo makikita yon. We need that fire in us. Mahalaga yung fire sa puso. That's why coming here, probably coming here, your fire somehow, you lost it. Baka nawala na, pero you were forced to come here. Oh, that's God's plan. So that in this conference, it can be reignited. Kaya in conferences like this, we become empowered. Diba? We say the word, wow, I was revived. That was the fire that we used to have. The fire that when we were in the Philippines, we don't have a car, but we walked to devotion. The fire that we would go out and evangelize and we're not shy. That's the fire. This is what the reminder